Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a guest network for smart home gadgets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your router's web interface. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Type in the router's IP address, which is usually found on the device itself or in the user manual. Enter your username and password to access the router settings. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section. Look for an option labeled Guest Network or Guest Wi-Fi. Enable the Guest Network feature. Set a unique name for your guest network, often called SSID. Create a strong password for the guest network to enhance security. Adjust any guest access settings as required, such as restricting access to the main network. Review the bandwidth settings and limitations to manage guest usage. Save the changes you made to the router settings. Reboot the router if prompted or necessary for changes to take effect. Test the guest network by connecting a device to it. Verify that you can access the internet on the guest network. Ensure that you cannot access devices on your main network from the guest network. Adjust any settings as needed based on your preferences. With these steps, your guest network for smart home gadgets is fully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.